not me. Welcome to Tiger sa Kesagan channel, my friends. Ito kayo na ko kasi tinuruan kami gumawa ng chocolate dito sa lid. Gubad lang ako. Kailangan bang ano daw? Ilikpitin? Uy, hindi mo naman ako. Paano ba ito? Ay, dapat.
Ang higpit ng pagkakatali mo.
Nagawa na ko. Nalaglag yan eh. So much siya.
Sure. Mamadali kayo eh.
Oh. Pwede ba ibabagsak na lang ako? Kailangan tiklopin na maayos.
I-shoot mo na lang din.
Ay, ano yun ba? Ay, nakapagubad na rin mga friends. Saan yung lagay sa inyo? Ha? Akin yan, akin yan. Ay, sa akin ba yan? Hindi akin yan. Hindi, ito yung akin, oh. Chocolate ko.
Downstairs you have the time of use the lobby area there. Okay. Okay. See you everybody 3 o'clock, huh? I have a ticket with me, I will deliver at 3 o'clock and chocolate fountain area. Chocolate fountain area.
Sophie, can I? This I'm doing some vlog now. This Sophie.
Outside.
Okay, okay.
Allowed to be in the...
Sorry. Hi, this is Sophie. She is the one who taught us how to make chocolate.
Hi.
Hi, Sophie.
Hi.
How old are you, Sophie?
I'm 30.
Married.
Married. 2 kids.
What?
1 kid and 1 is
But
inside.
you look so young, so vibrant. Thank you, Sophie. Bye-bye. Eh, salamin ko, shit. Iwan na ako. Shit. Ibang experience to mga friends. Ito. Mababa na kami from the chocolate factory of Lind. Yun yung pinaka-symbol nila. Yan. Sa museum my friends. Unfortunately my friends, hindi ako bawal kasi kumuha sa loob talaga. Lumabas kami ng Sophie para sa labas siya interviewin. So, natapos na kami. Ito yung bag na ginawa akong chocolate. Hindi ko makapakita sa inyo mga friends eh. So, ito yan. Hindi ko maano, baka madurog eh. So, mga friends, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and click the notification bell for our updated videos. So, happiness is a choice. Happiness is a choice. So in order for you to be happy, always watch Tiger sa Kuya Saturn channel. This is Popshi. And now for Momshi. Mama, see you later. See you in our next vlog. Mama.